Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood mo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Cancer, let's see what's coming to you in the next 7 days. For Cancer. Okay. A leg up. Some of you pwedeng meron kayong tutulungan or kayo ang tutulungan. Some of you are feeling abandoned or feeling alone. Parang pakiramdam nyo, you don't belong in a situation that you are in. So, pwedeng you feel awkward. Like, for example, bago ka sa trabaho. Siyempre, sa una, hindi ka pa ganun ka komportable sa mga taong nakakasama mo, nakakasalamuha mo. But I see that there is someone na tutulong sa'yo, no? Will give you assistance, someone who will care about you, and eventually, no, magbibigay ito sa'yo ng confidence, lakas ng loob, na to continue whatever you are doing. Some of you kasi parang feeling nyo, you don't belong, no? Yung parang out of place, ganon. Maybe because hindi ka pa ganun ka pamilyar sa sitwasyon na meron ka, like sa trabaho na yan, sa business na yan, or a situation that you are in. There's also an opportunity for you to work with others, like first-hand collaboration na merong pakikipagtulungan, pakikipagtrabaho, or meron kang magkukonsulta ka sa isang tao na marami na siyang alam, or someone like a mentor or a teacher or a trainer that will help you na to learn something or to gain knowledge. And to be fair, this is about bringing balance into your life. Maaring may mga bagay ka na kailangan kang pagdesisyonan ngayon, whether ipagpapatuloy mo ba to or mag-give up ka na. Oo, lalo na kung sa pakiramdam mo hindi na siya nakakatulong sa'yo or hindi siya komportable sa'yo. Kaya lang minsan kasi kailangan din natin na bigyan ng chance, no, yung isang sitwasyon na yan, na bigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo na mag-blend in, mag-grow, and to adapt, no, to immerse yourself. Like for example sa trabaho, syempre sa una mahirap talaga maki-blend in, but eventually pag dumadami na yung friends mo, you get to connect with others, mas nagiging komportable ka na, 'di ba? So give this a chance. Let's see. Oh, the sun. The sun is enlightenment, happiness. So, maaring meron ka ring fun thing to do in the next 7 days. You have the Wheel of Fortune. See, may malaking pagbabago for you, and this is for the better. The sun is also about accomplishment. So, maaring meron kang ma-accomplish that will definitely change your life. You have the moon, puro mga major arcanas to, You have the Six of Pentacles. Alam nyo, you are being assisted. Kung naniniwala kayo sa guardian angels, spirit guides, yung mga ancestors nyo, yung mga namayapa nyo ng mahal sa buhay, they are monitoring you or guiding you through. Alam nila kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo, alam nila kung ano yung challenges na meron ka, and they are willing to help. They are willing to give assistance. Some of you naman, meron kang pag-alala sa finances mo, but rest assured, no, huwag ka mag-alala dahil everything you need will be provided sa'yo. And there is someone who really cares about you. Pwedeng romantic partner mo to, or a best friend, or this can be yourself, no, yung sarili mo, like your higher self is telling you na kayang-kaya mo yan, huwag kang mag-alala. we got this. Or you got this, ganon. Sa mga view, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang practical na relationship. When I say practical na relationship, mas nakakataas or mas lamang yung practical reasons kesa sa feelings mo towards this person. So, let's say, for example, itong person na to, alam mo na may maitutulong siya sa buhay mo in any other way or form. Pero, hindi ka ganun ka in love sa person na to. So, maaring, i-consider mo na lang kung ano yung maitutulong niya sa'yo eventually. And, alam mo naman sa sarili mo na baka, kumbaga, in the future, mas mamahalin mo siya ng mas malalim, ganun. Ooh, the Three of Swords. Okay, what's this? The Magician. The Three of Swords is about disappointment. So, maaring be careful na lang, no? Kung ikaw ay may engage ka sa isang relationship na papasok ka sa isang relationship na medyo one-sided, no? Yung tipong beneficial, oo. Although may mga gumagawa nun for some reasons, for personal reasons, as long as totoo ka sa kanya. Or pwede kasi rin tong vice versa na merong person sa buhay mo na kaya siya nandyan sa'yo is because meron siyang nakukuhang benepisyo sa'yo. Okay? But, you know, with the Magician kasi, this is someone who can be very, like a trickster, no? Yung parang magaling lang siya mag-manipulate ng situation. On the other hand, maari kasing, ito, iba naman siya sa relationship. Ang nakikita ko rin dito, maaring some of you nag-give up na kayo sa inyong pangarap or sa talent na meron kayo, na alam nyo magaling kayo dyan, kaya lang, you feel like wala kayong platform or walang opportunity na dumarating sa inyo para ma-showcase nyo yung talents or skill set nyo. Kaya yung iba nagsisettle na lang sa kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon. O syempre, it's time to explore, try new things, para makita mo kung ano pa yung opportunity na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. Kasi you'll never know, no, hanggat di ka nagtatry. Ayan, no, you have to be persistent. So, kung talagang meron kang gusto na mangyari sa buhay mo, may umunlad, kailangan persistent ka, consistent ka. Person of air, so there is someone in your life, like an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, na importante ngayon sa buhay mo. This can be the person that you're connecting with. And yung air energy is also about your mental clarity or mental health mo. So, maaring yan yung aayusin mo ngayon. Even the person of water. So, this is your energy. Very emotional. Okay. And intuitive. So, yung instinct mo, intuition mo is going to be very strong during this time. And meron ka ring wish na matutupad. It's a blessing. I think ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay. Meron ding ito yung promise sa'yo na ibibigay sa'yo or ma-achieve mo or makukuha mo na yan in the next 7 days. Ang daming tao sa buhay mo ngayon. You may be connecting with a lot of people. Meron ding fire sign dito. So, I think this is also the energy of you na nagiging very confident, no? Very creative rin. So, marami kang gustong i-pursue. Uy, wow! There's abundance for you, Cancer. So, ano man tong challenge na to, like, kahit na pakiramdam mo, you don't belong in a certain situation, bigyan mo ng chance kasi you'll never know na dyan ka pala mas magiging maunlad or dyan mo pala mas ma-showcase yung galing mo, yung talent mo, or dyan mas mag-i-improve yung buhay mo. I see you harvesting your efforts, no? Yung mga pinaghirapan mo, trinabaho mo, in-effortan mo, makukuha mo na ang resulta niyan. There's also good news for you. Lalo na kung meron kayong hinihintay na pera or parang, let's say, itong pera na to is hindi siya galing sa regular na kinikita mo. So, it's something na outside of your income. Surrender, ayan. So, if may mga bagay na hindi ka ma-control, you just have to surrender it. And then, authenticity, pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. I think, magpo-focus ka rin sa kung ano talaga yung gusto mo na hindi mo kailangan na sumunod sa maraming tao para lang ma-please sila. So, you're going to please yourself. And focusing on having a peaceful mind. Ikaw ang master ng iyong inner world. So, kailangan daw kalmado ka lang. Cultivate a calm state. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.